guys, today here we have the Logitech ERGO K860 wireless ergonomic keyboard. So check it out, guys. So take a good look at it right here. And one of the things I'm going to show you about this, I really like this. It has a wrist rest. It feels almost kind of like it feels smooth here. It says that it's stain resistant. Notice that there's a split. So this is very ergo, okay? So it's comfortable, very, very comfortable to use, okay? It's also Bluetooth. It has, you can use Bluetooth on it, wireless capability. Okay, so there's two AAA batteries here, so fairly easy to use, and it goes with really any mouse. I like using the Logitech mouse, but I really like this keyboard. It's simple, okay, comfortable, and if you want the perfect wireless ergo keyboard, this is it. This is my #1 recommendation. All right, so check it out, guys. Thank you for watching.